Nice and windy, absolutely outside. In fact, I believe we have our traffic cameras. You can see the stoplights.
Oh, wow.
At Woolbright and Congress just kind of whipping in the wind there. And take a look outside right now from our high five. You can see we have some cloud cover. That's going to be rolling on through as we head through the daytime hours today. Breaks into clouds at times with plenty of sunshine, and then other times we're going to see lots of cloud cover rolling by. But they'll be moving by pretty quickly as those winds will be about 20 to 25 miles per hour out of the northeast at times today. Gusts could be closer to 30. Live Viper 5 Max, South Florida's most powerful radar. You can see some showers out in the Atlantic. Some of these did manage to make their way onshore first thing this morning. We could see a few more of those as we head through the afternoon hours. So keep the umbrella around. A quick splash and dash shower. Not out of the question. Our temperatures into the lower 80s. We're getting a little warmer out there, aren't we? But it's not so bad out there today. High pressure's off to our north. Those are wind arrows right there coming off that high. It's very strong, so that's why we're going to get this wind towards us today out of the northeast. We also have an area of low pressure that was Tropical Storm Patty. That, coupled with that wind field out of the north, together sending us that very strong wind. We're right there in the middle. So windy today with a quick shower possible as we head through the afternoon. And take a look, the wind's already up to about 17 miles per hour in Vero Beach, West Palm Beach on around 18 miles per hour. So definitely an afternoon that we're going to have to hold on to the hats. Walking you through your day hour by hour, temperatures in the 80s through the morning hours. Into the afternoon, the upper 80s for many of us. Will remain windy all afternoon. Showers possible on the breeze as we head through the daytime hours today. Vipercast picks up on those showers coming in from the Atlantic all the way through the afternoon into the early evening hours. You can see all the dots there of green, but notice how quickly they move through, and we'll likely see a few more as we start our day first thing on our Sunday and then into Sunday afternoon as well. So our rain chances about 40% for today as well as tomorrow, and as we get into Monday and Tuesday, a cool front slides through, and that's going to dry us out some more. So good news ahead for us, and we'll lose some of this wind. Okay, two systems to keep tabs on here. We have Patty, which was a tropical storm, now just a depression, and we also have Tropical Storm Rafael there to the south there of Patty. As we head through the day today, we're likely going to see Patty begin to dissipate. It's already just an area of low pressure, so it will move off to the south and to the west and eventually fade away. So not too much more tracking with that one, we hope. Tropical Storm Rafael, though, moving off to the north, grazing by Puerto Rico and headed towards Bermuda as we head into Monday and Tuesday, possibly bringing 70-mile-per-hour winds to that island. Now, I talked about the wind outside. For us, look at the beach camera here from Jupiter Inlet. You can see the surf there, quite rough today. This means we have a high risk of rip currents for today. So your beach forecast, keep safe out there. Be careful out in the water. Chest-high surf, rip currents, a high threat of those. And the boating forecast, a small craft advisory in effect with northeast winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 7 to 9 feet, 8 to 10 feet on the Treasure Coast. So your forecast this afternoon will be in those mid to upper 80s. Will be windy with a quick shower or two on the breeze, especially through the afternoon. Your forecast tonight dropping back into the 70s. Breezy once again, some 60s inland. Today and tomorrow, keeping the showers in the forecast and the wind as well into Monday and Tuesday. Breezy conditions as we see that cool front slide on through. Getting into the middle of the week, though, it looks really nice.